Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix Marvel Rivals running install script issue on PC. Many players have reported that they were coming across this kind of issue while trying to install the game. So if you are also into the same situation and looking for fixes, then go through this video and play the game without any issue. So let's start. So the first method is to restart your PC and Steam. To restart your Steam, simply go to the Steam, click on Steam option and then click on exit. After this, click on start option and then click on here and then select restart. This will restart your PC. Once done, relaunch the game and check if the issue is resolved. If not, the second method is to run game as administrator. For that, simply go to Steam, select your game under library, then click on properties, click on install files and click on browse option. This will take you to the folder where your game has been installed. Simply right click on the game and select properties. Now select compatibility and then click on run this program as an administrator and then click on apply and OK. Once done, now check if the error is resolved. If not, you should verify integrity of game files. For that, go to the Steam folder, select the game under library, right click on it, click on properties and then click on install files. Here you can see verify integrity of game files. Simply click on it and then check if the issue is resolved. The next method is to clear download cache. For that, again go to Steam, click on Steam option and then click on settings. Now go below and click on downloads option. After that, here you can see clear download cache. Simply click on clear cache option. Once done, now launch the game and check if the issue is resolved. If not, you need to check your graphics card. For that, you simply go to the search bar. Here type device manager. Now expand display adapters. Right click on it and then click on update driver option and then click on search automatically for drivers. This will search the best available driver on your PC and will install it. If this method doesn't work, then the next method is to disable antivirus program. In your PC, if you have installed an antivirus program, then it can also stop you from playing the game smoothly or some kind of error occurs. So it's suggested to disable your antivirus program before you start playing and then try to play the game. Hopefully this will work for you. Next method is to install Visual C++. Many experts suggest to install this to fix such kind of issues. So what you have to do is go through the link that I have given in the description and download and install the Visual C++ according to your PC requirements and then check if the issue is resolved. The last method is to reinstall Marvel Rivals game. For that, you simply need to go to Steam and select the game under library section, right click on it and click on manage and then select uninstall option. After this kind of pop-up will occur. Simply click on uninstall and wait for some time for the game to be uninstalled. After this, Restart your PC and once again install the game and then check if the issue is resolved. So all these solutions will work to fix the issue you are coming across. That's all for now. Thank you.